Well, here we are doing our rain camping, and it's exactly like we planned. It's been raining the entire time. There's puddles everywhere, but we were ready for it. We have clothes on to keep us dry and stay warm. Here's my little tent. I decided to put the tarp over my rain fly because it's rainy, and this river is just huge. It's the biggest I've ever seen it. There's not a spot in that river that is not swiftly moving. I don't think you can fit any more water in this river. It's just raging torrent. It's also really loud. Having this pop up is the only dry place to stand. So spend a lot of time here. Here's my dog wanting me to throw a stick for her for like the millionth time. She never gets enough of that.